Hey there, F5 community. Aubrey here with DevCentral. We just wrapped up our 2023 Toronto F5 Lab Days event. And I gotta tell you, it was a spectacular time from start to finish. Coming into the event, everything was very clear and pretty well laid out. The two tracks gave attendees the options to sharpen Big IP skills with some new utilities like AS3, or to be able to take the distributed cloud lab track to expand their multi-cloud and app security game to take it much farther and start building that what we call a super cloud, or if you're a Lord of the Rings fan, one cloud to rule them all. What I saw was people who were engaged in not only what was being talked about at the front of the sessions, but also trying to focus on the labs themselves and asking really engaging questions. I think all the people here that I spoke with were enthused by it and would probably seek out another event like this in the future so that they could continue to learn more. If you've not attended an F5 lab event like this one, I would definitely recommend looking for one in your area. The content was tremendous. Some of it was very forward thinking, and there were even a little bit of hints about things that are going to be released later on this week. So I think people came out of here very satisfied in understanding what the future of their Big IP environment looks like, as well as what the future of their multi-cloud environments look like. I'm Aubrey with DevCentral. Have a great F5 day.